Imagine a pair of earbuds that combine sleek design, top-notch sound quality, and cutting-edge features, all at a premium price. Are the Galaxy Buds Pro 3 truly worth the investment, or are they just another fancy accessory? Stay with us as we uncover the truth behind Samsung's latest audio marvel and see if they live up to the hype. First things first, let's talk design. The Galaxy Buds Pro 3 stems to Samsung's earbuds lineup, and while some might say it's a nod to Apple's AirPods, Samsung has put its own spin on it. The stems, or as Samsung likes to call them, blades, have a more angular design, giving off a bit of a Tesla Cybertruck vibe. But does the design actually work? Well, yes. The angular blades help the earbuds fit snugly and comfortably for most users, solving some of the fit issues that plagued previous models like the Galaxy Buds Live and Buds Pro 2. When it comes to features, Samsung has packed these buds with everything you'd expect from a premium pair of earbuds. Both the Buds 3 and Buds Pro 3 are equipped with Bluetooth 5.4, IP57 water and dust resistance, and the new LE Audio and Auracast features. The Pro model, however, goes a step further with dual drivers, a 10mm dynamic driver paired with a planar tweeter, dual amps, and an enhanced noise-canceling experience. Samsung's noise cancelling on the Buds Pro 3 is solid, but not quite up to par with heavyweights like the AirPods Pro 2 or Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds. Still, it does a commendable job, especially if you can get a good seal with the custom ear tips. Now, let's talk about sound quality. With the addition of the dual drivers, the Galaxy Buds Pro 3 deliver clear treble, punchy bass, and an overall balanced sound profile. In fact, they might just have an edge over the AirPods Pro 2 when it comes to audio clarity and dynamic range. I tested these with a variety of genres, from Taylor Swift to Bjork, and the Buds Pro 3 handled everything beautifully. Whether you're a casual listener or an audiophile, you're likely to be impressed by the sound these buds deliver. One area where the Galaxy Buds Pro 3 really shine is in voice calling performance. With 3 microphones and a voice pickup unit, your calls will be crisp and clear, even in noisy environments like the streets of New York City. And it doesn't stop there. The Buds Pro 3 also feature built-in voice controls that let you manage your music and calls without needing to touch your device. Plus, Samsung's 360 audio with head tracking and voice detect features add an extra layer of immersion to your listening experience. So, what's the final verdict? The Galaxy Buds Pro 3 offer a comfortable and secure fit, ensuring they stay in place during extended use. They deliver excellent sound quality, making every track sound crisp and clear. Their voice calling performance is top-notch, effectively minimizing background noise and enhancing call clarity. Additionally, the earbuds come with a robust feature set, including effective noise canceling and immersive 360 audio. However, they do have some drawbacks. The noise canceling isn't the best in class, falling short compared to some high-end competitors. Their high price point might be off-putting without available discounts, and the design might not appeal to everyone, particularly those who prefer a more unique or less mainstream look. Overall, the Galaxy Buds Pro 3 are a solid choice if you're looking for premium earbuds that deliver on sound quality and features. But with a steep price tag, it's worth waiting for a deal. If you're a Galaxy user, especially, these buds will integrate seamlessly into your ecosystem. Thinking about upgrading? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons.